Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Majan. For today's video, i-update ko kayo as I've promised kay Jigsaw It All, guys. So this is my second day. So yesterday is napakita ko sa inyo, or yung last video ko, yung first video ko regarding kay Jigsaw It All na kaya, di ba gumapa tayo ng computation. So hindi nyo pa nakita yan, hindi nyo pa napanood yan, you can check that out sa upper right corner of your screen, guys, na pwede kayo mag-withdraw here every day, guys. But you need to be patient kasi sabi nga nila up to 7 days yung waiting period for the withdrawal. But this is legit, guys. So andyan naman siya. So ngayon, this is my second day. So dahil yung withdraw ko is TRX as I've promised, guys. So gagawin ko to within the day at papakita ko sa live withdrawal o live payout ko for the TRX, guys. And then meron pa akong good news for you regarding kay Jigsaw It All, guys. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated sa aking mga upcoming videos and off the clock episodes. So, and stay tuned until the end of this video and don't skip, guys, para wala kayong ma-miss na important details na aking sasabihin para alam nyo yung buong proseso. Okay, guys. So now, yun nga, dahil second day, sabi ko nga sa inyo, diba, sa aking first video na pwede kang makapag-withdraw everyday through GCash. But kung gagawin mo is through GCash and Dana. Sorry, Dana is for other country. But kung gagawin mo is Payer, PayPal, or TRX, you need to at least 2 to 3 days, diba? Regarding sa aking nagawang computation. So, okay siya. Kung mahilig kayo mag-puzzle, way back nung kabataan nyo, diba? So, tayo, I remember, binibili ako ng mama ko ng mga puzzles. Like, mga sila Mickey Mouse, sila Minnie Mouse, yung mga ganyan, diba? Sila Little Mermaid. So, yung mga ganyang puzzles. So, nakakatuwa naman siya, nakakaaliw. So, here, yun naman yung gagawin dito is para mag-play kayo ng puzzle at kikita pa kayo, and everyday pwede nga siya. So yun yung maganda, but you need to wait up to 7 days. But the good news is may nag-PM sa akin or may nagsabi sa akin na pag TRX daw or Payer is mabilis lang naman daw yung pagdating ng payout. So I think siguro dahil marami siguro gumagamit ng GCash or PayPal payment method here, possible yan na ganun nga. Siguro kung madami, syempre it takes a while, pero kung konti lang gumagamit ng ganun, natsempohan, kaya mabilis. So yun, so dahil gagamitin natin is TRX, and kailangan ko talaga ng TRX because of sabi ko nga sa inyo na kung gumagamit kayo ng Tron Link na wallet is kailangan nyo doon ng TRX for the energy and bandwidth para ma-withdraw nyo doon yung other cryptocurrency like USDT, which is yun yung pagkakamali ko. I forgot. Isang tagal ko din naglaro ng Funbox, and then yung na-meet ko yung withdrawal noon, so USDT, dapat pala kinonvert ko muna ng TRX. Kasi pag TRX going to other wallet, crypto wallet, wala namang fee yung nakita ko. So, that's my biggest mistake. So, I need to grind more TRX. That's why, kailangan ko itong gawin. And then, another good news, guys. Marami pala silang, maraming ganitong games under the same company. And may nakita pa ako na other company din. I don't know kung other company, baka sister company, I don't know. Na parehas lang din neto na through payment methods. So, parang same the process lang. So, try ko yon. So, baka medyo matagalan ako after this video, matagalan ako ng update kung sa Payer or sa PayPal. Baka I think gagawin ko is
a few moments later.
Is yun nga na gagawin ko is parang anuhin ko na siya. Gagawin ko 100,000 tokens. And now, guys, nagawa ko na. So, ayan, guys, 68,000. So, actually, may sobra pa akong, di ba, mga gems. So, now, we're going to withdraw para before ko tapusin yung iba is para makuha ko muna yung 5 TRX. Baka kasi medyo matagal, I don't know, diba, kung saglit lang ba or 1 day or something like that. So, ayan, ilagay ko na yung aking Tron Link. So, redemption has been submitted and as under review. So, ayan, guys, 26. So, ano tayo, September 26. So, now, I'll be back kapag nakuha na natin.
a few days later.
Ayan guys, napakabilis. Actually, 1 day lang nakuha na natin. Approve na kagad. So, ayan guys, as you can see sa inyong screen, super legit si Jigsaw et al. So, I got my 5 TRX. So, kung gusto nyo siya itry, you love playing the puzzle, bagay na bagay ito para sa inyo at legit na paying application, guys. So, ayan, as you can see, nakuha na natin. Pero kulang pa din. Inano ko na kagad siya. Pagkakita ko is in-stake ko muna. So, ginawa ko naman yun sa other video ko regarding Tron Link. So, kung gusto niyo siya, hanapin nyo lang yung fun box, guys. Doon kasi siya naka-under. So, yun guys, for this video is very legit si Jigsaw et al. So, kung gusto niyo siya i-try, nasa description box down below lang siya. So, napaka-easy peasy lang niya, guys. So, everyday, pwede kayo mag-withdraw. Kung Gcash ang gagamitin yung payment method. Pero kung TRX, at least 2 days. And of course, pwede rin yung PayPal and the payer. So, yung computation na ginawa ko last time, it's kapag after na ng first withdrawal nyo. Kasi diba sa first time nyo kasi 100 pa yung binibigay na coins for the Jigsaw et al. And then afterwards, pag nakapag-payout na kayo, so yung mga susunod na corresponding is possible na for 30 coins na lang. Kaya yun yung regarding dun sa aking nagawang computation. So thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to join my 60 pesos giveaway. So 3 winners ang mananalo dyan every video, and of course sa aking road to 10,000 na subscribers. So mayroon 1,000 giveaway yan for 10 people na mananalo, that they go 100 pesos. So thank you so much. So until next time, guys, goodbye.
Let me know.